It's a beautiful day, and I'm going to take a turn around the garden, as they would say in the Victorian age. So, check it out. My flowers are all growing up. And I have to tell you, I never know what they are until they come out. I know that these are yellow, and those are probably phlox, which grow really tall, really fast, like weeds, really. And we'll have some daisies and some black-eyed Susans and some daylilies and some really pretty stuff. We do have a few little purple flowers there. Aren't they cute? I love them. And what else do we have here? We have some purple flowers coming up here that are really interesting. Gorgeous flowers. So we still have this brick walkway. Now this is a really old brick walkway, and it goes really well with the house. But it is uneven. Throughout time, the path has sunken into the ground, which makes it not level, which makes it harder on the older crew as they come. And as we get older, it makes it a little harder on us. I don't know what that is growing up by my memorial to my sister. I'm not sure. I mean, it could be a weed, but some things, Tom knows what they are, and we let him kind of decide. He has pulled out perennials before thinking that they were weeds, but okay, we're going to come over here. This tree, I don't know if you guys have seen some of my older videos from when we moved here, but this tree was a little round, pretty tree. And it's still a round, pretty tree, but man, it's getting big. And then right now it's lilac season. We have ivy here, which has really taken over everything, and it starts to climb up the side of the she shed. Now this lilac tree has already passed its peak, but it sure still smells good. I can't wait to put lilacs in the house. In fact, I should do that today, because what happens is that before you know it, they've passed. These are phlox, and aren't they gorgeous? Now, they used to fill this whole area. They're not right now. I do see some more purple flowers coming up there. This bush also has grown a great deal. It's almost like a ground cover. It's an evergreen. It's kind of a blue spruce color, really pretty. Here are some of my white lilacs. Absolutely gorgeous. Every year Tom cuts down the grasses, and it's kind of funny that that looks like kind of a big straw hat. We do have butterfly bushes. I do not see any sign of life on them yet. Perhaps they're late bloomers. We will see, because if they're not, something happened to them this year. This is another variation of a lilac bush, and it's just starting to come out now. It has smaller, more dainty flowers. It's really pretty. This is one of our 2 peach trees, and this year I haven't seen it really have any flowers on it. And over here, now our yard doesn't always look so neat and proper. It's Tom is so busy working on this yard, and he sometimes just dumps things. Like, there are things that drive me crazy, like those blue tarps. They drive me crazy. You see that? It feels like it gets in the middle of my ability to see a beautiful scene. But those tarps are what covers the firewood, and he has to keep putting them on and taking it off and putting it on and taking it off depending on the rain. So firewood is actually quite time consuming. So, yeah, that's a gun. Isn't that just lovely? It just gets right in the middle of our beautiful scene. Sometimes I want to come out here and tape the beautiful sound of the birds, and then I just hear the gun. Chickens are doing well. These are our babies that we got during COVID. They're our COVID babies, and it's been 3 years now, and they're still producing lots of eggs, and they're doing very well. We haven't lost one, knock on wood. Hey guys, we've got Rocky still. I would have a lot more nice relationship with these chickens if it weren't for Rocky. He's always out for blood. He attacks me whenever I go in there. But this guy, you are so friendly, aren't you? Both of you. You're so sweet. Yes. Hello, sweet little chickies. Hello, sweet little chickies. Yeah. Hi, babies. Where's everybody else? Well, we've got one down under there. Yeah, there she is. Maybe 2 are, let's look. Let's see if a couple are sitting on their eggs. Let's just see. This is the little egg hatch. And Dusty, are you sitting on an egg, huh? Hi, little baby. Feeling a little exposed? I know, you're such a good little thing. Oh, you're gonna leave because I'm here. So sorry. So sorry. So we have this chicken coop done really well. I've got to say, we built this thing to last. We've got bobcats and coyotes and all kinds of things around here. And yet these little guys stay safe every night, so I'm really glad about that. They would really like some grass, wouldn't you? You would love some grass. These are Foxwood bushes right here that actually they were dead a few years ago. And I told Tom to pull them out because they didn't look like they were going to live again, but they're looking really good. So strange. We also have these little ground cover that grow up in the spring, and of course we mow them down, but they're so pretty. I love the little flowers. This is a beautiful tree too. I've got to tell you, I am a person who really appreciates my gardens. More lilacs. It just smells so good out here. And look, finally, we're getting buds on the trees. Makes such a difference here in New England. Now we have things we have to fix. We had a very windy storm and it blew the window out there, so that has to be fixed. I have to do some things to the she shed. Of course, I'll have to plant some flowers, as always, around the window boxes. And during the winter, the she shed is basically used for storage because it's too cold to be in there. So we've got to go and clean that out too. There's lots to do around here, guys. Who wants to help? It's just shirtless Tom and I. He does a lot around the yard. You can see the 3 apple trees, well, 4 apple trees. This tree is half dead, unfortunately. Well, we have to decide what we're going to do about that tree. Every year we give it another year and we say maybe it'll do okay, but I don't know. The other thing is that we have taken down at least 8 or 9 trees on this property. So I'm going to take you into the she shed. You're going to see it in all its messy glory. So yeah, this is the she shed. This is what it looks like in the winter. Things just get kind of thrown in here. We use something and then we throw it in. There's always a bag of clothes that I should have brought to Goodwill. And I thought we only had 2 of these pillows, so this is interesting. But here is the bed and the very cool post and beam she shed we have in here. It needs a good cleaning and a good cleaning out. We do put a mouse trap in here because mice love to come and take over. We have that beautiful wicker furniture, and some of that wicker furniture is going to go outside. And then up here, a few years ago, I decorated it with all birdhouses. I really love it. I mean, I have never gotten sick of these faux plants and the birdhouses in this thing.